All right, guys, I think this is my 4th video in a row. This is my last one for the day. And I just realized I haven't checked to see if my microphone is working correctly or how well it's coming out. I just use a lanyard mic. I don't have the fancy equipment for doing videos. All right, yet again, free plan from Thingiverse. Guys, go check Thingiverse out. I haven't learned everything about it yet, but I'm assuming I'm allowed to say how awesome Thingiverse is. And I'm not selling the stuff that I'm getting off of Thingiverse. This is for me to play with and try things out and learn joinery, learn how to use the laser, and learn how to make really cool stuff. This is a penny whistle box. Yes, there's blue painter's tape on it because I literally made this 5 minutes ago for the very first time, do it with my laser and cut it. How do I have proof that I just made this? It's simple. It doesn't work. The lid won't open. I haven't had time to fix the design and recut it to make you one that opens up correctly. I was looking for a box or a style of box that I want to make for my magic wands. And I'm really liking this joint here, or this hinge. It seems to be pretty sturdy. It seems to work really well. It's got some really simple joinery on it. I didn't even peel the tape off. I missed a piece of tape when I was doing it. That's what the glared out white is. But I really like this joinery, the dovetail style joinery to them. I like the wider joints because it's easier for me to get glue on and get it clean. Still looking for that AC glue activator spray. I think this is going to be great for penny whistles. I was thinking magic wands when I downloaded it, but it's a little too narrow. I almost want to find a box that's this width and opens this way. So I think my next step is to go to Etsy with the dimensions of a box that I'm looking for and see if I can actually look this guy up on Thingiverse, because a lot of the people on Thingiverse have an Etsy shop. And I realized I was flipping through Thingiverse that I've bought some of the designs from Thingiverse off of Etsy and paid to have the royalties to use it and sell it and have the commercial license for it. Guys, if you're going to be selling stuff, make sure you get a commercial license to sell the designs. These artists are working really hard, and the graphic designers work really hard to make these things. My mother is a graphic artist, and she makes some designs for me, but she's not into joinery and that kind of stuff, but she modifies things when I need her to. If you're going to buy something from an artist and you're going to redo it and resell it, most people are only charging you an extra $5 or $10 for the license to sell it. If you're making it as a gift, no, you don't need a commercial license. They would probably appreciate you buying one, but you don't need it. And for $5 or $10, guys, come on. Let's help out the people who are working really hard to make this stuff and encourage them to keep doing what they're doing. So if you're going to do it and sell it, guys, buy the commercial license. And if you look, you'll find a lot of places have the commercial license right there on their site. You don't even have to ask them. And if you're buying stuff, most people who are doing this and have been doing it tell you about their commercial license and how it works. I have been buying a lot of my art from Etsy lately and checking the commercial license on some of them. And 99% of them say it's legal for resale up to a certain number, which is awesome. And guys, if I sell 500 pieces of art that I paid a couple bucks for, I will gladly go back and buy a second commercial license on something I'm selling 500 pieces on. Your pricing should more than cover an extra $5 or $10, and I didn't mute my phone at all, and your commercial license should be paying for itself with no problems and be paying for whatever it is you're doing. I can sell 2 or 3 pieces, cover the commercial license and my stuff with no problem. So guys, go check it out. Thingiverse for learning joinery and trying out different joints. Trying out different hinge styles has been my big thing for what I've been doing now. So joints and hinge style. I like this. I like this for the main reason, it's very little material. Some of the boxes with the sliding tops take a lot more pieces to have to be glued together. Time on my part as a business owner trying to make stuff and sell it. And the more material and time, the less my profit is. I know. It's not all about money, but you know, when the bills are due, it is. So I like this hinge. I love this joinery. I love this box. I wish I could open it. Guys, that is a simple fix with the right software. So not a big deal, but fun. All right, guys. Here you're going to see my assembling process, and you might enjoy the end where I fumble to put this together and end up putting tape on it because the joints are a little bit looser than some of the other stuff that I put together. And I drop it a couple times and it falls apart a few times. So you might be entertained by me being a klutz and being inadequate at putting this together. Remember, guys, like, subscribe, help me out, help me get monetized. And if you know a good activator spray, drop it down in my description below because I'd like to have that in the comments below. All right, guys, thanks. Have a good day. Anything you want to see, you want to see more plywood, you want to see some of the leather projects that I'm working on, let me know what you want to see. Just like the CNC machine, I take requests, and I'm happy to try out stuff that you don't want to pay to try out. So tell me what your project is. Spend my money on it before you spend your own. All right, guys, have a good day. Hang out and watch the fast-forwarded version of how I messed up putting this together.